Young and I die, bottom buddy made it happen. I don't wanna make no friends, point me to my hands. Who we think he is in that brand new Benz? They should've knew I was coming, just still a young and I knew I'd give me some money. Know I turn nothing to something, I look at your cousin, the youngest is me and it right. And I promise to keep it 100, keep it 100.
Young gun, no one that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Bentley spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the foreign, I swear.
Alright guys, these are the headers that the customer picked out. They're 2-inch headers by Stainless Works. Pretty nice, to be honest. Alright, so we got the cats off. As you can see, there's just these 4 bolts right here. And those 4 bolts were right here. So just take those 4 bolts out, unloosen these clamps, and then you should be able to wiggle the cats right out. Big. Now we're gonna go ahead and move up towards the headers. Alright guys, as you can see, we got the stock header out. I just came back from getting some food, but this side was pretty straightforward, easy. Since there's room up top, you can get the first 3 bolts out from the top, and then the rest you can get them from down here. So we got that one out, but the one that's giving me issues is this one. All the bolts are pretty simple except for literally the middle one, right? Let me see, you can see. Alright, so it's not this one. This one, I got it. But the one all the way up top, but straight from this one, but the top one, that one is being a pain in the butt. Just because we have no room. We have no room up there. I done already took everything out. Looks like I'm gonna have to take out the coil packs. All the coil packs, remove the supercharger, coolant reservoir. It's gonna be a fun one just to get one bolt, but we should be able to get it out here next. But yeah, this job is pretty straightforward. It's very simple. All you need is swivels, a lot of swivels, and 10mm socket, and just finesse your way into the tight spots. That's really it. But I'm gonna get to putting the aftermarket one right here, and we'll move on to the other side. Not looking forward to it, but this last bolt was pain in the butt, man. But this swivel got it out. This one and a bunch of these little ones. So if you're planning on doing this at home, I don't recommend it. I recommend just take it to a shop. But yeah, it's very tight on this side, and you're gonna need a lot of swivels and a lot of patience. But we should be able to get the rest fairly easy. So we'll see right now. Alright guys, so we took off the stock manifold, and now we're putting the gasket on and the other bolts. Like I was saying, the one that was hard to take off was this bolt right there. Let's see if y'all can see. But this one right here, for the fact being that from up top you have to take off the coil packs, you have to take off this harness, you have to move a lot of stuff out the way in order to fit your hand. Luckily I didn't do that, but I might have to do that to put the bolt on. But to take it off, I didn't do it. I was able to finesse my way through these little tight spaces. But you got it out. It's right here. Now we're gonna put on the new one. Alright guys, after a couple hours of work, we got all the, what are these called? All the clamps tightened up and looks pretty good. O2 sensors are in, rear and front. And clearance on the steering shaft is pretty good. Closed, but it should clear. I'm gonna test that out here shortly, and that should be it. Just put on the cover for the oil pan and we're done. All right guys, we're all finished up. We also went ahead and did the tips, and we're about to get a nice little start right now. Sounds good.